Bees are definitely working, but they're going over that field, looks like. There's a big power line on this miles of field all the way down it. A little bit of bearding, not a whole lot. Looks like a lot of orientation flights going down. Some of them look like they're washboarding. Why would they be washboarding? There's plenty of flow. They look like they're washboarding? Weird. I don't know. This alfalfa is starting to bloom though, so just starting to bloom. Hopefully they let it go for a couple weeks. That'd be nice. Anyway, let's take a look at this comb honey. Oh, we're going. Sorry. We're rolling. Some beautiful alfalfa bloom going on right there. I don't know, a lot of activity. I wonder if this hive swarmed or something. There's just not a lot of activity right now. It is late. It is in the evening. It's like, oh yeah, there's got some bees in here. Beautiful honey. That's sick. Oh yeah, she's heavy. That is a salad box of honey. So is this one. Mm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That super's full. Ooh. I could have swore I put some comb honey in here somewhere. How come I got brood up here? I do. I got brood above the excluder. That's not good. Got a queen up here somehow. Oh. Ow! I really do. My favorite. Well, that's not good. It's because that brood's up there. Yeah. Well, that's not good. What am I gonna do with that? I got brood up above the excluder. I wonder if I got brood below the excluder. Huh. Well, we'll have to do something with that. Let's go check another. Which one has the... there you go. Thing quit working. Brood above the excluder. It happens sometimes. Big question is that brood below the excluder. Now see, this one's all drawn out nice. Might have to add another excluder on, or another freaking super on this one. That's definitely better. Yeah. A little bit of cappage. Still need to draw it out down here. I wonder why I just put one there. Weird. There's a whole super coal money down here. This one ain't drawn out, but the rest are. That one's starting to draw it out. Man, look at all the propolis around this thing. They're trying to fill that hole. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I'd say this home honey's coming along here. That alfalfa gets going. Did I click one on this one or no? Definitely making honey. Oh yeah. See them in there. Drawing them out. Should work. Alright, put this one back together. That's all drawn out nicely. Probably shouldn't have this super on here. I should put it somewhere else. It's not drawn. Or it's drawn, but it's not full yet. This one here is full. Had a big old hole right there. Bees don't like it. If they liked it, they wouldn't be propolising it. So, yeah. Where else do we have it? Over here? Just not a lot of activity right now. Definitely bees in the hive. That beautiful comb honey. Move these outside frames around a little bit so they start drawing them. That beautiful comb down below. God, it's not like, looks like we got a messed up one. Yeah, this ain't good. That is not good. We'll just cut that out. He'll fill it in. Gooey gooey. That is going to be some beautiful comb honey right there. Look at that. Starting to fill in the bottoms. Things are using, a lot of people just use shallows. But with this, it's easier to get a perfect cut. And then any leftovers you have, you just use them for chunk honey, it's called. You just put it in a jar, some honey. People love it. Chunk honey, comb honey. Some more. Yeah, once this alfalfa blooms, I think we'll be all set. Well, these bees are a lot friendlier than the ones yesterday. The ones yesterday were not in a good mood at all. Of course, it was raining. What a beautiful cut comb honey. Got a little. Even it out a little bit so it's not so. Things that with comb honey, it's all about the looks. It's all about looks. I've seen some pretty nasty looking comb honey out there. And I'm sure it's delicious, but it's not something you want to eat just by the looks. You know? It's like all brown and nasty. Come on. Time to clean the smoker again. It's not staying lit.